Let us look closer at why this specific formula has driven the entire cosmetic industry into a state of panic this season. Traditional lip moisturizers are heavily formulated with low-grade mineral oils and heavy wax that only form an artificial barrier on top of your lips. While it might feel soft for the first 5 minutes, it completely suffocates your skin cells underneath, preventing natural cellular regeneration. The scientific team behind Laneige spent years perfecting their patented moisture wrap technology. This revolutionary engineering utilizes a hydro-ion mineral network rich in calcium, magnesium, manganese, zinc, and potassium. It establishes an intelligent, time-released hydration grid over your delicate lip barrier. Instead of dumping moisture all at once and evaporating, it slowly and calculatedly drips pure nourishment into your tissue over a continuous 8-hour cycle. This is precisely why celebrity skin doctors in California are now mandating this exact treatment for their high-profile clients before any major red carpet event. Furthermore, you need to understand the critical damage that occurs when you leave your lips unprotected during dry weather or high sun exposure. The thin tissue on your lips completely lacks any melanin, meaning it has zero natural defense mechanisms against daily environmental aggressors and pollution. When your lips become chronically chapped and start to bleed, it creates microscopic tears in your skin barrier, making you highly susceptible to cellular aging and deep, permanent lip lines. The rich infusion of organic shea butter and murumuru seed butter inside this specific jar serves as a biological shield. It doesn't just soothe the irritation, it actively repairs those microscopic tears on a deep cellular level. This is exactly why everyday American women are replacing their $300 luxury daytime lip serums with this single overnight masterpiece. It simply outperforms every single high-end product available on the market today, without requiring you to spend thousands of dollars on short-term aesthetic treatments. If you look closely at the viral data coming out of New York and Los Angeles this morning, top makeup artists are using this formula as a secret daytime hybrid gloss. By applying an incredibly fine, precise layer directly over your favorite lip liner, it creates a shocking, high-gloss glass finish that mirrors the aesthetic look of elite luxury brands like Rhode or Rare Beauty, but with 10 times the amount of actual clinical hydration. This means you are essentially getting a professional skin repair treatment and a high-end fashion gloss packed into one single, iconic pink jar. But as we discussed earlier, the window of opportunity to secure this specific viral batch is closing incredibly fast. The main United States fulfillment centers are reporting unprecedented stock depletion, and the current direct pricing is fluctuating wildly due to high international demand. Protect your hard-earned money and your skin health by completely avoiding unverified third-party listings that dominate search results today. Your absolute safety is my highest priority, which is why the official, 100% verified Amazon store link is securely pinned at the very top of the description field and within the first pinned comment section right below. Do not wait until your lips are dry and painful again. Click that verified link immediately, verify the current availability for your zip code, and lock in your order before the entire New York warehouse runs completely out of stock tonight. If your lips look flaky and completely ruined when you wake up this morning, you need to watch this private breakdown immediately. Because smart American girls are secretly throwing away their expensive overnight lip oils today, and absolutely nobody is talking about the real shocking reason why. This isn't just another overhyped skincare trend engineered by beauty influencers. This is the exact, authentic Laneige lip sleeping mask that currently holds the absolute ultimate Amazon's Choice badge with over 70,000 viral orders in New York this month alone. Think about that number. Why is an entire nation obsessed with this one specific pink jar? Because while ordinary drugstore lip balms completely evaporate into thin air within 10 minutes, leaving your skin even drier than before, this premium overnight treatment builds a bulletproof moisture shield. It literally melts away dead skin cells and locks in a massive, continuous wave of pure vitamin C and murumuru seabed antioxidants while your body is completely asleep. If you love the hyper-juicy, high-end glow of Rhode by Hailey Bieber, or the ultra-clean finish of Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez, but your lips are constantly cracking, bleeding, and peeling under the city weather, this is your absolute holy grail. The secret lies in the advanced Korean skin science hidden deep inside this formula. It doesn't just coat the surface of your lips with cheap petroleum like basic balms do. Instead, it clinically penetrates deep into your delicate lip skin barrier, completely repairing the damage in just 8 short hours. You wake up with baby soft, deeply plump lips that last all day long without any heavy, sticky residue clinging to your skin. Most people don't realize that the skin on your lips is significantly thinner than the rest of your face. It has 0 sebaceous glands, which means your lips cannot moisturize themselves. When you apply cheap, synthetic glosses throughout the day, you are actually trapping dead skin underneath, causing chronic dehydration. This is exactly where the Laneige Berry Fruit Complex changes the entire game. By utilizing a proprietary blend of real raspberry, strawberry, cranberry, and blueberry extracts, it delivers a high-potency dose of nutrition directly to the cells. It acts as an intensive moisture wrap, slowly releasing hyaluronic acid and essential minerals throughout the entire night. Right now, across Manhattan and Brooklyn, this specific overnight treatment has gone completely viral among top dermatologists and celebrity makeup artists. They aren't using it just as a night mask anymore, they are applying a micro-dose right before heavy matte lipsticks to create that perfect, flawless canvas that never cracks under studio lights. If you have been struggling to get that smooth, line-free liquid lipstick look, the problem isn't your lipstick, it's the texture of your lips. One single night with this Korean masterpiece completely erases every single fine line and deep crack, saving you hundreds of dollars on painful lip plumpers and filler treatments. But here is the absolute critical catch that you need to know right now. Because of this massive viral surge across the United States this afternoon, the official Amazon warehouse in New York is running dangerously low on the classic berry-style stock, and the pricing is scheduled to spike heavily within the next few hours. Do not risk your skin health by purchasing cheap, unsafe replicas from unverified third-party websites. For your absolute safety, I have gone ahead and pinned the official, 100% verified Amazon store link directly at the very top of the description box and the first pinned comment right below this video. Stop settling for dry, painful lips. Click that verified link right now, check the current live availability, and lock in your order before this entire viral batch completely sells out into total darkness tonight.